Introduction. Python is a loosely typed, object-oriented programming language used to perform a variety of programming tasks ranging from web development and desktop application development to data science and machine learning, etc. Owing to its simplicity of syntax and ease of learning, Python has become one of the leading programming languages of the world. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in late 1980s. This book provides a gateway to in-depth Python programming. Why Python? There are several advantages of learning Python. Some of them are as follows. Easy to learn. Python is one of the easiest languages to learn owing to its super simple syntax and loose typing. Unlike other languages, you don't have to learn how to use myriads of bracket types in order to specify code blocks. You also don't get end-of-line semicolon errors. Finally, you also don't have to specify the type of variable while storing data in it. These points might sound trivial to expert programmers, but for a person new to programming, they are serious turnoffs. Open source and large developer community. Python is an open source language, which means it can be used to develop, share, and distribute applications for commercial as well as non-commercial purposes without any copyright infringements. Furthermore, Python's large developer community makes it easier to look for solutions to the problem. Support for web development. Python can be used for developing websites. In fact, there are some very good Python frameworks such as Django and Flask that make server-side web development much easier and robust. Used for data science machine learning. You would have heard the term data is the future. If data is really the future, then Python is surely the language to learn, since most of the data science and machine learning are currently being implemented via Python. There are several machine learning and deep learning libraries such as Sklearn, TensorFlow, Keras that make it simple to develop complex machine learning models.